Lexus Works versus Prado full comparison. Most people get this wrong, but comparing the Lexus Works and Toyota Prado isn't just about looks or badges. You won't believe how differently these two SUVs perform depending on your driving needs. The Lexus Works focuses on luxury and comfort. Its interior is plush, with high-quality materials, advanced infotainment, and supportive seats for long drives. It handles smoothly, offering a quiet ride, and comes with hybrid options that maximize fuel efficiency. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a comprehensive airbag system, making it ideal for city and highway driving. The Toyota Prado, on the other hand, prioritizes rugged off-road capability. With a robust system, high ground clearance, and durable suspension, it can handle rough terrain, steep inclines, and challenging trails. While the interior is comfortable, it leans more toward practicality than luxury. Prado also comes with advanced safety features, including traction control, multi-terrain select, and hill start assist, designed for off-road conditions. Performance-wise, the Works is smooth and refined with responsive turbo or hybrid engines, while the Prado is more powerful in low-speed torque, making it perfect for towing or off-road adventures. Fuel efficiency favours the Works, but the Prado offers unmatched versatility in challenging environments. In conclusion, your choice depends on priorities. Choose the Lexus Works for luxury, comfort, and city-friendly efficiency. Opt for the Toyota Prado if off-road capability, rugged performance, and versatility are your focus. Both are excellent SUVs, but understanding your driving style and needs will determine the right pick.